In this video, we are going to look at a skill that involves multiple step problems that use ratios, proportions, and percent. We may not do all of them in this video, but we'll do an example and then refer to you to many more examples that will help you in understanding this. You must first of all understand that questions or problems that have these concepts are problems from the following areas. We have simple interest, we have percent increase and decrease, percent, others like calling it percentage, but there's no difference. Percent increase and decrease. We also have commissions, just to mention a few. Oh, there's also another one we call gratuities. Just a few of the examples of problems that will be carrying this skill. So the next thing I'll do is give you an example that will encompass these concepts and also show you step by step how we are going to solve that question. And as usual, if you're new here, subscribe to Prepsaret YouTube channel and let us move on together. Example. The example is a word problem, and of late we are doing quite a number of word problems that will test on your comprehension of the question and also ability to gather information from the statements that you're given. The price of Veronica's mailbox before tax and tip was $11.92. This symbol represents dollars. Veronica paid 8% tax, then added 15% tip to the total. To the nearest cent, how much did Veronica pay for her meal? Take note, before tax and tip, $11.92. Tax, 8% tax. Tip, 15%. Solution. In solving this, we have $11.92. We also have tax of 8%, which we can say 8 over 100 times 11.92. Let us find the tax amount, which is 0.08 times 11.92. If you use your calculator, you will get 0.9536 as tax. So what you do, total up to that point, tax plus 11.92 shall be dollars. 11.92 plus 0.9536. What do you get? Use your calculator again. You will get $12.8736. We have one more thing to do. After getting the total tax and 11.92, we are going to look for 15% tip. So after tax, we are going to do the amount for tip. The amount for tip is 15% of the total, this one. So it will be 15 over 100 times 12.8736, which is the same as 0.15 times 12.8736. Again, you use your calculator, you shall get 1.93064 dollars. This is for the tip alone. So if you want the total payment shall be the total that we had gotten here, which is 12.8736 plus that for the tip, which is 1.93064. This is equals to 14, and of course the units are dollars, 14.80424. Now at this point we have one more point to go, that is rounding off our money, our dollars, to the nearest cent. How do we round off this to the nearest cent? When it is about rounding off to the nearest cents, this is equivalent to rounding off that figure to the nearest hundredths. So from the decimal we have, of course, we have 14.80424. You start tenths, hundreds, then you check on 4. 4 is less than 5, so we will assume all the rest of the figures and have our answer as 14.80. So rounding off to the nearest cent is the same as rounding off to the nearest hundredths. And so we finish up by giving the units in dollars, and our answer is, from our question, the answer is A, and that is $14.80. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you in the next video.